It's Unknown AK-74U.
And I am Notch AK-47, and this is going on Unknown AK-47
Rave
channel.
party.
And this video is going to be called Sound Effects. And Unknown AK-74U is going to tell me to do a sound effect, and if I can do it, I'm going to do my best to do it, and I'm going to try and embarrass myself. Well, I'm going to try, however. Okay, let's go. Tell me, what should I do? What should I do? What sound effect?
Oh no!
Just tell me, anyone.
Oh no!
Fine, I'm going to do Chewbacca.
Hey, look, Chippy. Hey, pass me my squirrel. Can you pass me my wooden squirrel, please? Please, I'm gonna stroke him.
Ew, your wooden squirrel.
Where's he go? That bitch. Hey, Adrian, can you pass me my handgun for a second?
Why?
I want to hold it. I feel safer with it. Jesus. No, give me my handgun. No, because my shotgun's breaking. Like, can you put it down, please? I don't like, no. Put it down. Put my shotgun down.
I feel safer with you.
Can you put my, it's already loaded. Can you put it down, please?
Are you still filming?
Yes.
What sound effect should I do?
Oh, did you guys see that video from I Kill Trolls where I could snipe something with my, well, I could shoot a can off his head with my shotgun. Hey, look, that.
Search up I Kill Trolls, and instead of an S at the end, with a Z.
Hey, guys, I dropped you on your face. We're safe now, everybody. Rave party.
Look at this.
Rave.
Look at this fantasticness. Look at my fantasticness with all this gold.
If you look at that gold mask, he's looking at your faces.
Fantastical. 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 Don't shoot me.
I'm gonna shoot it. Hey guys.
Through the eye. Through the eye.
One sec.
Through the eye.
Okay, I have great aim. Oh, I missed.
No, you didn't.
Look! It's under.
Oh, shit.
Okay, I'm gonna redo it. This looks just like a game.
Where'd that go?
One sec. Okay, guys, watch this. You. Hey, where'd it go? Ow!
Penis face. Let me try. Let me try.
Can you pass my shotgun before this world ends? Ah, my God! Ah! It's gone now. Okay, see you guys. Please subscribe, comment, and like. Oh my God! Here's my shotgun. Don't shoot. That hurts. Please, please. Ah! Don't.